Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Teacher Ann.
Please sit down. So how are you today?
Okay, ma.
Maayo. Good to hear, mga bata. So, karon katuod ba mo kung asa na kan-umantad post o kadapdapan rice terraces?
Ako kanoon ko.
Very good, dungdong. So, karon we will take a journey to explore some of the most amazing land and water formations in our town of Kandihay. Taga-asa di ay ta, mga bata? Okay, very good. So we will visit the Kadapdapan rice terraces and Kan-Umantad Falls through storytelling. So these are the two natural treasures that show how beautiful and powerful nature can be. So mauni ang Kadapdapan rice terraces. Ang sisiyang color? Ganahan mo color green? Very good. So, moni ang story sa Kadapdapan, maminaw ha? So, these terraces cover an area of 190 hectares and were developed by local farmers in the 1970s. So, nahimo ni siya pag year 1970s. So, they transformed the hilly areas into farmland, creating a beautiful pattern of layered rice fields. So, mga kabasakan ni sidyang naadari. Tourists can reach the terraces by walking along a trail of aqueducts, and it is recommended to visit early in the morning at 6 a.m. to enjoy the breathtaking sunrise over the terraces. So kung mo anhi mo, dapat sa Diyos sa buntag para makakita mo sa sunrise. Aron nice good siya. Nice day.
Nice.
So the terraces are a source of pride for the people of Kandihay. When the rice is growing, the terraces are green, symbolizing hope. Kasi color sa kanang humay kong hilaw pa. Green, very good. So when the rice is ready to harvest, and some color? Very good. They turn golden yellow, reminding us of the treasures left by our ancestors. The terraces are irrigated by the Kadapdapan River system, which also feeds the Kan-Umantad Falls. So these terraces are often compared to the famous Tigalalang rice terraces in Bali. Grabe no, i-compared sila sa ubang terraces. Nice magunis sila kung makaadto mo. So with their cascading layered appearance, while they are primarily used for farming, they are also a peaceful place for tourists to enjoy the beauty of nature. Sa ibabaw ari na ay pahuwayan diri sa ibabaw sa Kadapdapan rice terraces. Nice ijang story day.
Nice.
Okay, very good. So, sunod, muanhi na po ta sa Kan-Umantad Falls. Nakaanhi na mo?
Ako kanoon hapon ka.
Nakaanhi na ka? Maadyo. So, karo, kani Kan-Umantad Falls maoy tallest kanang pool sa Bohol. Grabe kinatasan si nga pools sa tibuok Bohol. Unja, the waterfall is 261 feet high, grabe dyan sa habuga. Its name comes from the old Bisaya words kan-uman, meaning 60, and tad or dupa, meaning fathom. Locals estimated the height of the falls to be at least 60 fathoms long ago. Grabing taas sa dyan siya kung makaadto mo. The water of the falls comes from the Pondo Spring, and the waterfall itself has topazes, sediment that was formed during the Middle Miocene period between 15 million and 11 million years ago. Dugay na ning Kan-Umantad Falls. Two strong typhoons, Ami in 1951 and Ining in 1964. Dalagyan na siya ka ng duha ka strong typhoon. Change the water flow, and now the water falls on the right side of the landform instead of the left side. Tungod sa katong naibagyo mo nang dari na kuan ag falls ani sa right. Then visitors can enjoy the area as their cottages nearby, perfect for picnics and swimming. Imagine enjoying the refreshing water while looking at the tallest waterfall in our province. So nag-anhi ni Jo, makapahuway mo kay naaman si Jai mga cottage, diba? Naadong na. Nakaadto na mo kasi may makauban ato. So kinagdako ni Jo, muadto mo kay para makakita mo sa kanang kagwapa sa Kan-Umantad Falls. So, today we have learned that the Kadapdapan rice terraces And the Can-Umantad Falls are not only beautiful nature sites, but they also show the harmony between humans and nature. The terraces show the hard work of our ancestors, and the waterfall shows the power and beauty of our natural environment. So, let us always respect and take care of these treasures. Dapat inagmuadto mo di manglabay o kanang mga basura kay oh yes, mahugaw ang atong nature. Yes, makasakit po siya. So, did you understand, children?
Yes.
Okay, that is good to hear. So, please stand. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.